So I had asked a pretty straightforward question on the X, was what is the stock cylinder head volume on a 64U head casting? So we're going to find out what that is. Running the stock spark plug in here, just because we're going to CC this head as it's run. So piece of plexiglass, small hole drilled in it, grease seal around the perimeter, burette. You can see on the burette that the meniscus is zeroed. The bottom of the meniscus is what we're reading. We're going to read that at 0. And we are going to fill this head. Move this back just a little bit. Going to fill this head, and we are going to see what volume it has. As you can see, started to fill the head. The level in the burette is going down. When we get closer, I will slow the flow down so that we don't spill any and we get a nice fill. Get a real accurate number here. And what's interesting is somebody had done this, or said they had done a bunch of these and given a number. I think it was 34 cc's plus or minus 0.3 cc's, which is, you know, if that's what you're seeing, that's pretty interesting, because does that mean that there are different, this flow slowing down here a little bit. I have, getting closer. Are there differences in the cylinder head volume based on castings, or a lot of times, you know, the casting tool will wear out and the company like Yamaha will retool the head and keep the same casting number even though it's coming out of a new mold. We're getting super close here. Try and get that last little air bubble out of the head, and I got it. So we're going to pull this out now. You can see that I filled this pretty much perfect. If anything, I am a drop or two low on the plexiglass there, but there is no air bubble and there is no fluid leaking. We can take a peek here at the burette. We can see, and I will adjust the camera. We can see that with meniscus, we are right at 36 cc's. And this burette counts backwards, so you know we have 0 up here, and as you drain the fluid, your numbers go up because that is the volume that you're pouring out, and the fluid that we are using is Marvel Mystery Oil. So and I don't really think it matters much what fluid you use, but there you go.